Asia Pacific Development and Communication Center. Development professionals are now working in increasingly complex and challenging environments. Do you feel overwhelmed? Are you letting your projects manage you rather than you managing them? ADCC can help you gain the knowledge, skills, and confidence you need to continue to perform in a complex environment. Asia Pacific Development and Communication Center, or ADCC, is a specialized training and consultancy unit of Dharakish Pandit University, one of the most distinguished private universities in Thailand. Courses are designed and conducted by internationally recognized and experienced development experts. Our courses include project management focusing on results-based management, monitoring and evaluation of development programs, communication for social development covering the various aspects of social and behavior change communication. At ADCC, we prioritize on fostering the ability of the development professionals to execute effectively and efficiently for a lifetime. ADCC has trained thousands of development professionals working for governments, NGOs, development banks, and UN agencies. ADCC has also carried out numerous consultancy services, working closely with partners in planning, developing, implementing, monitoring, and evaluating social development projects of varied scope and scale. Asia Pacific Development and Communication Center. Enhancing your capacity is our priority. Visit us at www.dpu.ac.th/ADCC or contact us at adcc@dpu.ac.th.